have been looking for an application that will ease your management on all the subject related to the compliance with the international standard, your waiting has been listened to and heard. Now, this application actually will give you that unique advantage that you are looking for, to be first, an advocate of process improvement. Second, to be actually at the top list of your supplier and provider of service for any client that you are intending to deal with. It's very important that for you to succeed in the field of management of international standard, which actually will enable your company to have a better edge in this competitive market, and also will be looked after from any client, it's to be fully in compliant with all the international standard. In order to do that, you have to have the proper training for your staff, and you have to have the proper application or tools that will enable you to do this management properly. QHSE Companion can show you the way. The learning curve for QHSE Companion, it's not that difficult. Actually, it's very easy to accomplish because most of the sub applications, they are similar in the way they function, to make it a whole lot easier. So now is the time. If you want to have an edge, in your field, you have, and you want to be competitive in this very harsh environment, you need to have something unique, something special, distinguish you and your company and your staff from the rest of the group. You need a system that will make you capable to manage all your affairs related to the core requirement of any standard, such as ISO 9001 for quality, or for the environment, for ISO 14001, or for occupational health and safety, the ISO 45001, or the OSHA 18001, or any standard for that matter, because all standard has core requirement. This application enable you to control them, to manage them, to know exactly what's your task, what's your assignment, what is your conformity, how you control it. All that stuff is very simple to use it, and is very powerful to give you a good result. It's very important, if you can just increase the productivity and the process in your company by 10%, look the huge difference that you could make for your company. That's if you just make 10% improvement, let alone if you make 30 or 40% improvement. You will. This application will deliver. And the important thing for it, first, the application is very easy to use. Second, it's very cheap in the price. Yes, there are other resource planning applications available in the market, but the initial investment in the probably tens to 20 to 30, 40,000 US dollars, as well as then there's no guarantee that you will be using it. And if you go and look at the statistics online, you will find that people are investing a huge chunk of money, and then at the end they lose interest because that application, either it doesn't deliver or it's very hard to learn, and about 70 I think to 75% people quit using it, and this way you lost all your initial investment. But QHSE Companion, understand that, therefore it was very cheap when the price was put, because the main purpose is not revenue. The main purpose, transferring the knowledge from one generation to another, that you can actually use something to benefit your company, because if you benefit your company, you benefit your society. If you benefit your society, then you benefit your country, and then if you benefit your country, you benefit the whole world. So what are you waiting for? Now, for the first time in 2023, we will make the application available, the actual version, not the demo version, online for you to download for a limited time, so you will use it and you will feel it and you will see how it works. Even the videos of training, they are all available. Just look up, there is a tab that says download application. Just click on it, and then please, when you get to that page, make sure on your left hand side, you will see a video or instruction before you do any kind of download. Listen to that video. It's very, very important, because that video will guide you through all the steps. Remember, this is a database application that's based on Access, that require some sensitivity because it has a lot of modules and a lot of VBA, a lot of codes, you know. So in order to work properly, you need to listen to the instruction on that video. If you do that, you will not have any kind of problem. Then you can experiment on it, you know, and that's the actual copy actually. And then you let us know. If you like it, then we'll do a membership with you on a yearly basis. But believe me, you will like it, because your initial investment, it will be very small, but the reward that you will get out of it is a very huge, you know, very huge actually. And I hope you will enjoy it, and you will let us know if you need our assistance. So good luck. God be with you.